Hi guys, Candy here at my mobile homestead. Today we have some really high winds. So as you can see, I hang plastic on my carport to help keep it warm in here during the fall, winter, and early spring. And it also allows me to use it as kind of like a greenhouse. So I start my plants early and keep them out here. But anyway, as you can see from the way it's blowing it in and out, right over there, it's really windy. And in fact, it's so windy, the power went out. We don't know if it went out because of the, see it's blowing over there too. Yeah, it's really blowing. And we don't know if it went out because of the can't even think, because sometimes they shut it off for safety reasons to prevent fires, and sometimes a line goes down. So anyway, I'm sitting here completely off grid. Well, not completely, to be honest. I can use the propane that goes to my house. I have to light my stove, and my water heater seems to continue to light itself, but yeah. So I have the ability to use my stove with the propane. I don't know about my oven, and but no electricity, and I do have running water, but I don't know how long that'll last. I think because our pump for our well here at the park is electric, so we will have whatever water. I'm below the wells, so it will allow the water to run downhill, gravity. Anyway, that's it. So I wanted to share that with you guys. Thanks. Love you guys. Like, share, and subscribe.